Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a information technology learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to post YouTube video in Blogger site. It's very important tutorial for bloggers. This is my Blogger site where I always post YouTube videos. Look, all are YouTube videos here, and I will show you how to post YouTube video in Blogger. I wanna post this YouTube video on my blog site. I'm going to my Blogger control panel and click on new post. Okay. Now this is my title. Okay. Paste it here. Now this is description. Okay. Cut and paste here. Now I'm resizing the shape. Okay. Now select all and make it justify. Okay, fine. Now you will find a button here in left corner. Click on the button and you will find a compose view and HTML view. Now this is compose view, and if you click here and select HTML view, look, this is the HTML view. Okay, now I'm going to my YouTube video. I want to post this video to my Blogger site. Okay, you will find here a share button. Click on share. This is the embed option. Click on the embed and you will find here a HTML code. Just select this code and copy it. Okay, close. Now again go to Blogger post control panel. Look, the last section. Okay, before this P, just hit enter, make a space, and now paste the code here. Now again go to this button, click here and click on compose view. Look, your video is already here. Okay, blank space has been removed. Now I am giving a label. Google Chrome because my video is related to Google Chrome. Okay, now click on publish, click confirm. Look, the video has been published in your Blogger site. Okay, I'm going to my Blogger site. Just reload the page, click on reload button, or right click on empty area and click on reload. Okay, look, my video has been published in my Blogger page. It's very easy way. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.